In my effort to eat mostly savory breakfast for steady blood sugar levels, I usually keep things simple and often turn to leftovers from the day before. Today that meant a big bowl of honey beans, cooked Nigerian style but completely oil-free. If you've never had them before, they're soft, slightly sweet black-eyed beans, and I actually have a recipe on my channel if you'd like to try it out. Beans like these are such a powerhouse food. They're naturally high in plant protein, loaded with fiber, and provide slow-releasing carbohydrates that keep me full and energized all morning. I like to finish mine with a squeeze of lime or lemon juice. It brightens up the flavor, but more than that, vitamin C actually helps your body absorb the iron from beans, so it's a little nutrition hack I use all the time. For lunch, I put together one of my go-to huge salads. This one had kimchi for probiotics and gut health, creamy avocado for those heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, roasted broccoli, steamed kale for extra greens, and a handful of crunchy almonds for magnesium and vitamin E. I kept the dressing super light with just lemon juice and black pepper, simple but so fresh. On the side, I also had some suya spiced baked mushrooms and tempeh. If you've seen my suya spiced tofu recipe, this is basically the same process, just swapping in different proteins. Mushrooms are surprisingly nutrient dense. They're a natural source of B vitamins, selenium, and antioxidants. Tempeh, bean fermented soybeans, gives you a big protein boost at about 20 grams per serving, along with probiotics and minerals like magnesium. Together, it made for a really satisfying, balanced lunch. For dinner, I kept things uncomplicated with more of that tangy kimchi, some steamed kale, and soft-boiled yam. Yam is rich in complex carbs and potassium. It wasn't fancy at all, but sometimes that's exactly what I want at the end of the day. Dessert was a chia seed pudding made with omega-3 rich chia seeds and protein-packed plant-based yogurt. I topped it with sweet raspberries, blueberries, and peanut butter, a great balance of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. As you can probably tell, I'm really drawn to simple, minimally processed food without counting any calories. What does a typical day of eating look like for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!